Prepare to be amused. So many new sounds, and I love that there are Middle Eastern sounds as well. So let's start with piano. Great. We're gonna move straight to the qanun. Lovely. And the oud. There's different types of oud. And they also have the violin, and some of them are locked, but quite a lot are unlocked. The balama. Now on the right side, you'll find different drums that you can, little drum beats that you can play along. Instruments on the left side here. There's the ney, which is a flute from Turkey. Let's see how authentic. Almost like the real thing. I like it. Accordion. Wow. Look at, here's a bit of Middle Eastern instrument exploration, which I think is important for any music teacher to expose their students to different cultures and instruments, learn appreciation, celebration, and more. Culture preservation. Thank you so much for listening, and please download this app.